So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon, so you get notification as I post videos. So guys, it is Sunday, and so it is Sunday, and I'm going to Surat Khazana. Actually, that I think that the outlet was in Bangalore, and now it's in Chennai, Perambur. It was like quite famous. Like I saw many influencers making reels and showing their collections with the best affordable price. So I'm going to check out, and I'll tell you my honest review and opinion about the shop, the dressing, and the material. So yeah, let's go, guys. I have came to Surat Khazana. It's right in front of me, but I can already see the crowd. Maybe the crowd is because of the hype or because of the products that they are selling. I'm not sure, but let's go and see. Guys, I don't know why my camera is flickering like this. I am not very sure, but I'm sure that my camera is not broke. Oh my god, only one thing I have here is the crowd. I don't know why it's flickering a lot. We have so many collections, but the crowd is there, and I nearly got food. I'll tell you what happened, because I'm not liking this flickering stuff that is happening. And even for billing there is crowd. For billing there is crowd. For the collections, whatever they are showing, there is crowd. There is crowd. Only people are there. Only a lot of voices and people billing. This is what is happening. But I'll tell you what I observed here after coming. I actually made my sister and mother to come here. I saw a lot of reels of this influencers. Sorry, what is wrong with my camera? Okay, I'll just go out and I'll show. Going to Surat Khazana, there was only hype, to be really honest. Like there is no medium size, large size, nothing. It's only double XL in ready-made. They have not mentioned it anywhere, I think so. Apart from that, the crowd, it was so crowd, and they have only the materials with them. So I went with the mindset of buying ready-made in M or like medium or L, but it was not there. So overall, only the hype is there, but I didn't like the shop. So after that, we have come here. 25. So after that, we have come here to Savory Seashell to have the iftar. Actually, this is the first time I'm coming here, and the outlet is actually really different. So we have ordered few dish. Let's eat and let me show you that. And this is how my Sunday is going. Let me know if you have done your e-shopping in the comments. So guys, done with the iftar. Alhamdulillah, it was a great iftar. But because of the crowd, the waiters were taking some time to take the order. But apart from that, the food was good, and the ambience, everything is really good. So now we have one more work to do. So let's go there. So we have one more work to do. So we'll do that and then we will be heading back to home. Right now we have booked the Uber to the location, so let's wait and see. By the way, the food here was actually really good. They even have iftar box. So if you want, you can just order in Zomato, Swiggy because a lot of orders are there. Or if you're coming here also, you can have it. I think it's for 4.59. I'm not sure. I'm not sure with the price, but you can have. And also, if you don't want to have the iftar, a la carte menu is also there. You can order anything from there, right? So yeah, let's. So guys, it is 11:30 right now and I came home just now. So Alhamdulillah, I went out at 4 o'clock and it is 11:30. So I had a very busy day, and even tomorrow, like from the next week also, it is going to be really busy for me because I have few things lined up. But yes, apart from that, Alhamdulillah, something I just went after having the iftar in the seashell. I went to do some work and Alhamdulillah, the work is completed. I'm so happy. Yeah, overall the day was really good. And guys, to be like really honest about Surat Khazana, it's just hype. Of course, if you want to get materials, you can go, you can purchase, no problem. But if you're going with the price that they display, I don't think so you'll be getting. Because when I went and I asked them that recently you posted a reel and why it is not there, he simply told me that no, that was into offer and it is like no more in the stock, it got over, so it's not there now. We have only for 4,000 6,000. So by dala kyun if it's dala hi kyun if it's not there, right? So anyways, but I didn't do any shopping. Like my each shopping is still pending, and I have like for the next 3 days I am completely packed. I cannot. So after that only I will come and do everything. So yes, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you with a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.